This is my dream right here. The car's on the road. My kids can enjoy it. My grandkids can enjoy it. It is a 1969 Camaro Coupe.
Nothing says performance like Camaro.
Just happened to see it sitting along the road one day for sale up where I grew up. It came with a 6-cylinder, 3-speed transmission on the floor, 10-bolt rear end in it. It was pretty much the cheapest car you could possibly get. I drove this car in the spring of '82 and I took it off the road in the fall of '82. I only drove it for 6 months. I was going to work one morning with my car and there was snow in the road and I lost control and did a donut right in the middle of the road. I said, that's it, this car's got to get off the road. And it went to the garage ever since. A friend of mine built a rotisserie for it. Actually took some metal pipe and we built a rotisserie. We mounted the car on, rolled it over on the side and realized how bad the undercarriage was. So I did a lot of metal work to the car, got it to where it was when we brought it in here. I mean, it's my life. I've owned it for pretty much all my life.
My mom sent him a picture of a purple Camaro. And then when Mom passed, I said, let's get it done. Let's get it done right. We both agreed to bring it into you guys here at Horsepower to have the car done correctly.
We said, okay, we're going to put some of this color into the car. The color purple she picked at, we matched it almost to a T. I think it's really going to look good when it's done.
We'll go slow because I don't forget this is steering.
Well, I was going to say, if we put her nose of the trailer in there.
How you feeling?
I'm ready for it.
Anxious.
Wow. I'm very happy with all the work. There's no hidden corners on this car right here, none at all. I even asked Dave if there's anything he had to do different on this car, what would he do? And he said nothing. I'm very impressed with that. I just can't believe how it looks.
Beautiful.
40 years in the making. I got every part in the car ready to be bolted on this car, whether it's brand new or I reconditioned it, restored it. I got everything at home ready to go. Going to be right around 450 horsepower, 383 stroker engine with a single 4-barrel on it. The engine block is going to be this purple that my mother-in-law sent me. I don't know if there's any flaws at all. Wow. Dude, I appreciate it, man.
You're welcome, buddy.
Thank you, buddy. This is my dream right here. The car's on the road. My kids can enjoy it. My grandkids can enjoy it. Both of my boys, Chris and Zach, when they saw that car, they was like, wow, that is freaking beautiful. I was down in the basement one night. It's a, I think it's a 124 scale Colonel model. I thought that'd be pretty cool. I think I'm going to paint one of these for the grandson and give it to him because he's always showed interest in the car when he come over. My wife and I were looking at it. She said, why don't you say something in there at Horsepower? Maybe Pete will paint it for you. Lo and behold, Pete said, sure, bring it in. We'll paint it for him. And Kevin sprayed it for me, and it turned out really nice. The experience with Horsepower, I can't say enough about them. I mean, it's just a blast. everywhere I go with it, people are either waving at me, thumbs up, their heads are turning 360 degrees when they're gone. I mean, it's a 69 Camaro. You don't see a lot of them on the road anymore today, especially as nice as this one here, but it's awesome.